Hi guys, charity shop, gold or garbage. Spotted this in the charity shop. £1.25 Mini Arcade Cabinet. I've put batteries in it and it works, but I just thought I'd show it first of all like this, because it's one of these things. Why do they do this? They've stuck the label right across the screen. I don't know if it's going to be one of those ones that comes off or not. Luckily it's not one of those ones that don't stick too much. Yeah, straight across the front of the screen, the only bit that's really important. £1.25 needs batteries. I think that was in the pets charity shop, PDSA in Yate. Okay, so I've put fresh batteries in it, switch it on, and the centre of the screen looks like it's missing. That's why they put the label over there. The LCD screen is damaged, isn't it? Oh, what a shame. So we've got several games, 1, 2, 3, 4, can we? Well, that's really annoying. And I wonder if that was putting the label on there, cracked it. That's cracked straight across the middle. Oh dear. So a nice little display, ruined. Well, that's going to be unplayable, isn't it? $200 in one, it says. We've got volume. Okay, so we've got 4 levels of volume, reset, start, and buttons A and B. What can we go for? Well, we're not going to see much of it anyway, are we? Spring World. Star. What's star? Start. Well, let's be honest, that's not even worth £1.25, is it? So, charity shop, gold or garbage? Garbage. I suspect I could take it apart, and there's the vaguest chance you might be able to source a different screen for it, but then you're spending a fair bit of money on something that you can actually buy these 200 in one little handheld games for not a lot of money. Probably less than it cost me to source a replacement screen. Well, I'm disappointed. I would hate to think that is what broke it, them putting the label straight on the screen, but it wouldn't surprise me. Alright, there you go. One of the excitements of charity shop shopping. Sometimes you get gold and sometimes you get garbage. I suppose, as it is now garbage, there is nothing to stop me taking it apart, is there? So I have to cut down the stick-on decals, I think you call them, decoration. Sharp knife and your fingers. Right. Wonder how much these are brand new. Can't imagine they're very expensive. So we got battery box, on-off switch, display, controls, just be interested to see where the actual black blob is that does the actual game, whether it's down on the control pad or up on the back of the screen. There we are, there's our black blob. And that's our screen, which we're not going to be replacing, are we? Let's be honest. So it's got a few bits and pieces actually on the flexible connection. Two capacitors and a diode up there. Another diode there. Oh, a whole load of tiny capacitors there. Another diode. Yeah, we're not going to be replacing that. 2017. I suppose holding it in any way is going to... Alright, so switch that off again. So we've got a speaker in there, and then this will be fancy shaped screwdriver to get in there and unscrew that. Not impossible, but a little bit awkward. And would assume just some momentary switches. Oh well, that's what's inside, but we're not going to be replacing that. How sad is this? Desperate enough to play it when you can't see all the screen. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.